Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be setting up a new week in my weekly hourly planner, and we are going to be planning the week of the 20th, which is the 20th through the 26th. I am going out of town this weekend. I have a planner retreat in Baltimore that I'm going to be attending and speaking at, so I'm really excited about that. So let's flip to a new week. And we are going to start by adding in my dates. So this week is going to be really busy. If you don't follow me on Instagram or follow my other channel, I have a church. Me and my husband are pastors, and we have been portable for the past 2 years, meaning that we are having our current services within a school auditorium. However, that is about to change because we just purchased a building. And so as you can imagine, it's been extremely busy. There have been so many things that we have to do in order to get prepared because we are about to start our services there on next week. And so we do have to kind of get everything in place and ready for that and move everything over. And that is why I need my planner, and I need to kind of plan everything out so I can see it and get comfortable with this process. So I believe next week I am going to do my February planner setup. So we are going to do my planner setup on Wednesday and my February budget setup on Friday. And then Sunday will be my weekly plan with me. Now, I still have my work planner, and within my work planner is where I keep all of the details of where I am as far as my posting process. So after I have filmed, I will check it off. If I am in the editing process or the uploading process, or I need a thumbnail, all of those details will be within my work planner. However, on my sidebar within my life planner or my schedule planner, I do like to keep an overview of everything that's going to happen for that week. It's kind of like my highlight reel. It really just lets me know all the things I need to film and what videos are supposed to post. And then right under that, I like to keep track of everything that's coming up for the next week. That way, nothing kind of catches me off guard. I kind of have this highlight reel of all of the things that are coming up. And if I need to do any planning for this week in order to be prepared for something that's coming up the next week, I have it right on my sidebar, and it is a constant reminder of what I need to do. Monday, I do have an early meeting. So this one's at 8 a.m., which normally I don't schedule meetings this early, but I have so much going on this week that was kind of the only time that was available. This is also going to be moving day, or one of our moving days for empowerment. This is also Martin Luther King Day. So many times I do like to add holidays into my planner, and that is because many times the banks are closed on holidays, and since I process payroll for the church, this is a great reminder. I'm gonna leave a lot of white space here because this is probably going to take up my entire day. So I'm just going to pop in all of my other to-dos at the top, and Mondays for me are a heavy church day. Y'all know I like to theme my days throughout the week, and so Mondays are usually going to be my church days where I try and complete a lot of church tasks. So that's what I'm putting at the top there. I have a hair appointment on Tuesday, so I'm gonna mark that off, which is 9 a.m. And I'm gonna put my name because a lot of times I will write this down and I'll forget if it was for me or for our girls. Let me put down breakfast. We'll do dinner. So my YouTube video will be on Wednesday. So I'm gonna write it in one of these computers. So many times I will use computer icons or my medium-sized boxes or my smaller boxes in order to highlight something that I need to do that I consider pretty important for that day. Now, Usually when I am writing down the different things that I need to do for YouTube, this is not the exact time that this video may post. So even though I have added it around the 2 o'clock time frame, that doesn't mean that it's going to post at that time. That just means that this definitely needs to be posted before that time. So I try and give myself basically the day in order to get this done, but I just want this to be done by the end of the day. And so what I will usually end up doing is, after I have added in all of my appointments and all of the meetings that I have scheduled throughout the beginning of the week, I will come back to my planner on like a Monday, and then I will decide when I am going to film the video that needs to go up on Tuesday. And I have to give myself time to film it, create a thumbnail, edit it, and upload it. So usually that takes me a couple of hours throughout multiple days. And so I know that I will need at least 2 days to get this done. Okay, I think that's it for the first half of the week. We're gonna move over to the second half. So we have an inspection on the building for our insurance. So many times if something doesn't fit completely in the colorful box, I will either write on top of or underneath the box. So I didn't have enough space to write property insurance inspection, so I just wrote on top of the box. So I fly out on Friday. Gonna add a little suitcase here. So now I'm just going to add in all of the other additional things that need to happen. I do need to pack up and make sure that I have everything ready and organized for my trip. I am also vending while I am going to be out there. So not only do I have to prepare a presentation for my workshop, but I also have to make sure that I have all of the products ready and prepared and packed up for vending out there when I am there. Now this is going to be a quick one-day trip because our very first Sunday that we are going to be having our very first services is on the 26th, which is that upcoming Sunday. And so I did want to be back in order to be here for that. So I am flying out on Friday and flying right back on Saturday. And I also would like to film 2 videos before I go. Now, I may not get a chance to film the weekly plan with me because I usually like to film that when it's closer to the end of the week. So I'm not 100% sure that I'm going to be able to get that video out, but I definitely want to get my February budget set up out before I fly out. And in the midst of me writing all of these things down, I didn't even realize that I was adding my details on the wrong day. So I still wrote in that I was flying back in on Sunday instead of Saturday. And so I am going to have to switch and change all of that up. I think I just realized what I did. Yep, got it. So that's on Saturday. Anytime I make a mistake like this, I will usually just pull it up and I will cover it with another sticker. I will usually just write in something else that is happening around that same time on Sunday, and then I'll just cover up my mistake. Now, I could just pull up the sticker and write on top, but many times it'll kind of mess up the paper a little bit, which is why I just will add another sticker, and it's like it never happened. Okay, this is going to be my weekly setup. We are all set and ready to go. I'm just checking my sidebar, making sure I have everything, and I believe I do. Yes. So we are good. Let me just add, this is another moving day. And we have everything. All right, guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and I will see you all in next week's video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.